Hello, Debbie down here. Now I'm about to show you how to make waffles. Okay, see what you do is you're gonna get some waffles in here. Here goes. Well, I already did that, so we're just gonna skip that. Just gonna put some waffles inside here, which I already did. And we're just gonna wait. So, how's your day? One more waffle. Because I eat 3 waffles. Three waffles. I'm sorry, how was your day? That's very interesting. I'm getting a plate now. What? I should get some to drink. Drinks are good. Good. Drinks are real good. Okay. Check out my fridge. Yeah. I drink vitamin water. I'm drinking Revive. Not because it's warm. Just gonna put it in the freezer. Because, that's totally healthy. And for substitute, I'm gonna be drinking. Forget you. Orange soda. I'm gonna put you down for a moment. Alright, I'm back. And look! Whoa, waffles are done. Let's put this in here. Yep, just one more waffle. You hungry? I guess not. Crush 40. Oh, I'm sorry. No, that's that band that did Sonic Adventure series. The music. Well, I just put the soda away. And I'm heating up my eggs and bacon for 25 minutes and 50-something seconds. Not, I'm done. Okay, now I just moved my eggs, what does he call these things? My waffles? Yeah, just so you know. The other one is finished. Right, anyway. How do you cut this? Oh, I don't cut them. No, I don't cut them. I can rip these things apart. Isn't that amazing? Absolutely freaking awesome. Then I just put them over to the side. That's how you do it, bros. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. A little bit big. Alright. I know this is hot. Well, not really. And then, just gonna put that stuff on there. Plate's empty. Let's put it on there. And close it. Ba-ba-ba. That's how you make waffles. Timmy dance.